Hello everyone, I'm here at the corner of 32nd and Winter Street. It is snow day in Philadelphia, so plenty of snow on the ground. Here to show you a 5-bed and 2-bath house. It's just a walking distance from Drexel University. Actually, you could see it from here, the campus. So the address for the property is 3213 Winter Street. It's a nice house with a private patio or rear yard, and also you have a front porch, beautiful front porch. So the place is this came. Here is the building. It's a nice brick building, and this is your space, the outside space. You have the small deck for the residents. Nice, you could set your dining table and enjoy the breeze of fresh air. You also have, this is the building, you also have this space. Right. Alright, here is your backyard. Big size backyard, it's fenced. So it's nice space to have a private place for yourself in the summer, for your summer cookout. You have your grill here. The place has central heat and air. This is what the outside looks like. I will go inside and show you what the house itself looks like. It is, as I said earlier, it's a 5-bed and a 5-bed 2-bath house. The address is 3213 Winter Street. Let's go inside and see what the inside looks like. I just got into the first floor of 3213 Winter Street. It's a 5-bed 2-bath house. This is your living space. As you could see, it has high ceiling, hardwood floor, 2 huge windows for a natural light. You'll be looking out to Winter Street. You have non-working fireplace here, big window, and these steps takes you to the second floor. And under the step you have this small storage space. That's a tiny storage space. The next place I would like to show you is a dining space. Here is a dining place. In a dining place you have this closet for storage and big space for dining. Next you have your kitchen. The dining and living space has hardwood floor, as you could see, and very high ceiling. And this is your kitchen. You have a upgraded countertop, plenty of storage space, stainless steel appliances. We have small island here, additional storage space, and a floor, tile floor. You have a garbage disposal, a dishwasher, an oven, gas oven, and cooktop. You also have a range hood. This is a window for a natural light. The door you see on my left is the door that leads you to the basement. The basement has your washing machine and also plenty of storage space. I will show you that in a little bit. Let me go out and show you your private backyard first. So as you open this door, this space is a beautiful fenced private space. It's for you. And I'm sorry I couldn't get out because snow outside. But you have nice private space for this summertime cookout. All right, going down to the basement. As I said earlier, you have your laundry machine here. Plenty of light. You also have windows and big space for storage. You add your water boiler, the HVAC system, and your electric panel is over there. Going up to the second floor, where you have 3 nice sized bedroom and 1 bathroom. Going to the second floor, have these nice steps. All right. The first place I would like to show you is the first bathroom on the second floor. There is, you have a stall shower, toilet, you have a faucet, a window for a fresh air. You also have exhaust fan. To my right is one of the biggest bedroom. You have 2 windows for a natural light. This is very big bedroom, huge space, hardwood floor. Over there on my left you have storage space, your closet. Next is second bedroom on the second floor. We have high ceiling, a carpet in this bedroom. We have windows for a natural light, a small window over there, a bigger one here. This is a view from this angle. Big bedroom. This is the closet space. Nice size closet space. Going to the third bedroom on a second floor. Similar size like the one on the left. It's a carpet. We have 2 windows. Space. At left side you have a closet space for storage. All right, going to the third floor, you have 2 bedrooms on the third floor. All right, the first one on my right is nice size. All of the bedroom has a good size. Good floor. Here is your closet space. There is the window. All right. Then here you have the second bathroom, which is smaller here. I'm gonna turn on the light. You have a tile floor. Stall shower. A window for fresh air. Toilet. Then the fifth bedroom on this floor, as you could see, is a lot of natural light because we have skyline here. Right, going to the fifth bedroom. This is also big in size. Plenty of space. And the bed. Two window, huge window. You also have a storage closet. Huge 5-bedroom, 2-bath house. I hope you like the video. You like the house. Thank you for watching. Bye.